dyan. Dito ako sukat tulay guys. Marcelo Beachwood, nilalakad ko galing doon papunta dito. Ayan, sa tulay ako. Yan, diba? Okay guys, pa-watch naman kayo dyan. Good morning to everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Afternoon to everyone. Love you. I love you all. I love people. I'm going back in my house at the bus. Yeah. Ganda, diba? Oh, yan. Oh, diba?